Welcome to Eat Fit channel. My mama says we should eat salads to stay active and healthy. But salads are a little boring, right? Are you also bored of your usual dishes? Oh, then you must try my amazingly delicious aqua flavor 17. This dish gets its name from the 17 ingredients used in it, and the most important one is raw papaya. Raw papaya has a long list of health benefits. It is rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Now without wasting any more time, let's start making this immunity booster. For this recipe we need julienne raw papaya, julienne carrots, julienne beetroot, chopped tomatoes, coriander leaves, roasted almonds and cashew, cottage cheese, salt, wafer rolls and canapes, oregano, soy sauce, peanut butter, lemon juice, honey, and we also need cucumber bolts, cucumber shavings, tomato flags and some skewers. In a bowl, mix raw papaya, carrots and beetroot. In another bowl, mix peanut butter, honey, lemon juice, soy sauce, oregano. In a mortar, lightly pound chopped tomatoes and coriander leaves. Now add this to our peanut butter and honey paste and mix well. And our dressing is ready. Now drizzle this dressing over the veggies. And last but not the least, a hint of calcium and protein with everybody's favorite, potted cheese and roasted nuts. Now it's time for the plating. And here are my scrumptious cupboards full of nutrition. And in the end, some salt to taste, salt-based style.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.